Good morning,
you are
sir.
with us.
Yes, sir.
Good evening over here.
Yes, sir. Happy Sunday, Mazen.
Thank you, sir. Where are you joining us from?
Yeah, I'm calling from US. Mazen,
All right. If you don't mind, may we see your face?
Okay, no wahala.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm a truck. I'm a trailer driver in US. So, So, Mazen, I'm working in KB right? Those Igbo politicians don't know about the Igbo. Nda afọ abụrụ ndị Igbo. Nda afọ bụ Fulani. I'm telling you the honest truth.
Okay, let us understand what you are saying very well.
Okay.
Let us understand what you are saying very well.
Apart the same politics, Southeast governors in a play, the same politics can the Southwest governors in a play. How about the same politics?
I don't think it's the same politics because I am seeing how the Southwest governors are standing for their people lately.
Hold on, whatever naga. All the same, all the same Nigeria kafano, right? The same
because there are some people who don't understand our language here.
Okay. So this is what I'm trying to say, right? These guys that you guys are calling Igbo politicians are not Igbo politicians. They are Fulani. Believe it or not.
Okay, your reason.
They don't have real Igbo blood in them. And my reasons are this, right? The same politics they are playing is the same politics the Western governors are playing, true or false. But the Western governors always stand for their people. They always protect their people. But these fools in Southeast are always after their interest.
What you are saying is very important because recently the Southwest governors met. They are talking about the influence of Fulani terrorists, the Iswa Boko Haram. They are saying they don't want it in their land. Why the Southeast governors are allocating land to these people? This is opposite of. I don't understand it.
God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir. Now now you are going to the permanent site where I'm heading to. These guys are not Igbos, Makachuku. Error or not DNA on them, they are not Igbos. Look,
who's me, right? Who's running now? Because we would like to really know the truth.
Igbos, right? I was born in Kaduna in Biningwari, Nigeria. So say, you understand?
Okay.
But I hate what Nigerians are doing to my people. I can never sow my soul, right, to sacrifice my people. But look at what your people are doing. Not about Igbo politicians. Trust me, my brother, these people are Igbo. If they run DNA tests today, now okay, let's get the hope of them, but talk truth. Who are you know they see in face? Oh, we want the full and the same color everything.
No,
they are not politicians.
I thought we were talking about in character, not facial.
Facial, everything.
Are you serious?
So that is all I have to say. When I not get governor for Southeast, you know what about Fulani, pure Fulani. Our women should stop marrying outside Igbo land. They are the one bringing all these mess to to us in Southeast. They call the Okocha. Thank you very much. I have a wonderful day.
That's also safe trip, man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, sir. Thank you so much, sir. All right. Thanks for joining up to this point. The recent happening in Igbo land has raised this question to know whether the Igbo politicians are really for their people. Because no matter how you blame the politicians in Nigeria, I will tell you honestly that these people are of different breeds. Some persons are just ruling or acting based on the fear of others, while some persons are acting to protect their people. Now, before now, there has been a lot of challenges coming to Yoruba land, and you would see how the measures of the governors in the land to resist what was going on. And part of them is the Islamization agenda, where the push for the establishment of Sharia court in Yoruba land is being resisted even by the governors. If that didn't happen in Igbo land, do you think any governor we have the courage to come out in public like what Makinde did and other states did to stand against the Sharia law? In Igbo land, they will embrace it. They will tell you the reason why they embrace it. This is what I know. Okay? Now, come to think of it. There has been a security intelligence in Nigeria about the movement of the Boko Haram, and it swapped towards the southern part of the country. And now it's holistic in the south. It's not only to the south, southeast, or southwest, but it comprises of the three, political, geographical places. But you see the way the Yorubas now, they took measures against this influx of terrorists into their place. They started building a joint security forces to protect their land. They started rejecting, the inflow of the terrorism. But I'm so marveled to see that people from the Igbo land, instead of them to do the same, they are now paying 30 billions. They are conniving with these people to make sure they have the ancestral land. And that is the reason why I'm asking, who has done this to us?
There are so many issues on this matter. The first foundation to lay is that Nigeria is not a united country, despite all the pretenses. We are not South since 1914. It has not changed. The North, at the flip of a switch, they are able to shout Northern interest. The Southerners are laid back, hoping that, we are civilized. We don't want to talk about tribalism. Tribalism is at play. We are pretentious about this matter. Look, the North has taken us for a ride for too long. They foisted federal character on Nigeria over 40 years. They foisted quota system over Nigeria over 40 years. Have they benefited from it? Only the tiny clique in the North is holding the whole country to ransom. It's enough time for Nigeria to wake up. We are not together, North plus South. Now they are talking the elite, the few elite in the North. Like if feeding bottle is going to be removed from their mouth. That's what they are doing. They are shouting. They are forming a group now. Lead of Northern Democrats. The governor of Bauchi was talking. They won't be able to pay salaries again. They won't be able to do that. Look, the North has damaged Nigeria fundamentally with this attitude. Who are the Nigerians who are now Japan now? They are Southerners. The South invested in education massively in the 50s and the 60s. The products now are being driven out of Nigeria. Can you find the Fulani man in London or in New York practicing medicine, practicing engineering? It's Yoruba, the Igbo, Southerner that are marginalized. It's time to call the bluff of the North. Not because we even support what Tinubu is doing, but we have to converse about Nigeria. Nigeria is not, we are pretentious. Let's go to the brass tacks. That's why we are calling for regionalization. The North is separate from the South. That's just the truth. That's just the truth, unless we are deceiving ourselves. There are many issues about the tax reform. Look, the president is not focusing in the right direction. Just one item alone, inheritance tax. The North has a different perspective on Sharia. The Southwest have different customs. The East have different approach. By trying to do a unitary tax system, when we are all having a different flavor of life, is that not a voyage to nowhere? Tax bill is not the reform that we want. The country has to be reorganized and let all of us live separately, but as good neighbors. As good neighbors. We are different. It's just a fact. We can gloss over it from here to eternity. Let me just stop there right now.
Okay.